This is an official emergency broadcast from the government of Robloxia. We inform you that an extreme blizzard is approaching your area, bringing dangerously low temperatures and heavy snowfall. Your safety is priority, and we urge you to take immediate action. Follow these instructions to protect yourself and your loved ones, while authorities work to manage the situation. If you are at home or work, stay indoors and avoid all unnecessary travel. Make sure to stock up on essential supplies such as firewood. Frostbite and hypothermia can occur quickly in these conditions. Thank you for your cooperation during this severe weather event.